Hey everybody, this is Alex. I wanted to bring you a quick little tidbit about a fun app that I've been checking out quite a bit here. It's called Classkick, and in this app you are able to bring together your students and assess them and have them work together collaboratively on on problems that you have. So what you're seeing is the left-hand side of the screen is my teacher screen, and this is the student iPad. I have two different iPads up and running right now. On the left-hand side, the teacher screen, I just came in and created a free account. This is a free app. You're able to manage your assignments. You're able to create rosters. The students don't need to have a code, which I'll show you in a second. You're able to look at your notifications and your profile. And over here, this is where I've created my assignments. I'm going to be using the one called Example. So I'm going to open that up here. In this, I have created three different assignment things that I'm going to have them work on. I have made a open-ended text question. I've also created a problem for them to work on, a math problem right here. I've also created a fill-in-the-blank, or basically a drag and drop sort of a thing, and I'll show you what that looks like here. At the top, you're also able to assign peer helpers, or let the students help each other. You're able to either choose to show the assignments or to lock the assignments too. They can get into this anytime they want to work on it too, so they don't have to work asynchronously, or they don't have to work synchronously. They can work asynchronously, excuse me. Anyways, what we're going to do, after I've made my roster, I'm able to show the class my code. This is kind of like Nearpod or other things that you've seen before. Then the student goes in and makes or they select their code. They have to type their name in correctly. Once they start typing, I don't know if you noticed that, once they start typing, it's going to fill it in for them. That's all that they have to do. Go ahead and continue working. And what's going to happen is they are going to be dragged into the first slide. Now, what's cool about this is that you can have a lot of different students working together, and the students are going to be able to go in and start working on whatever they want to. Now they have the platform here to work on whatever they want to in the slides. So this one, explain what the very best animal in the world is. They can start typing. They're also able to get rid of those tips. Now, what I want you to see is on the left-hand side, you're going to see that there's going to be text. You can see that I'm typing right now. After I put that in, the teacher on the left-hand side can see what the student is doing, and if they're answering correctly or whatever they want to show, they're able to do that. I can take a picture too. Here we go. Just go ahead and turn this around. Able to use that. Oh, let me try that again. Here, let's take a picture. Perfect. I can put that in on my slide. And then you can see on the left-hand side that it's putting that in instantaneously. They can type in whatever they want to for their answer. Okay, now, one of the great things I love about this, students are able to type, they're able to write if they want to on here as well. They can erase, they can put lines in, they can also record their voice at the top, they can put links in, and they can take pictures. Okay, what I love about this though is if the student gets confused, upper right hand corner of the student screen there's a little hand. If I tap on that hand and I do something like please help, oh my gosh, on the teacher side, look at what's happening. I can see that Alex is on the first slide and Alex has his hand raised, which is cool. I can go in, I can put the hand down, and they know that I'm there helping them out. So on the teacher side, it even says for the student that the teacher is helping right now. I can go in and I can annotate whatever I want to. I can also give guidance. And it's going to show up for the student in real time. You can see that they can ask questions and you can go in and you can answer them as the teacher. Okay, very cool. Now the student, when they want to, they can just move on to the next slide. The teacher can go back and they can jump wherever they need to. Now again, this is, the students are going to be able to fill in whatever they want to do the problem, however they'd like to. If they want to show, if they want to show how they think about this, plus 17. I'm going to do 3 plus 5. The other great thing too, they can change the way that their text looks too. 5 plus 7, that's going to be 12. So I'm going to put my 2 here. I'm going to carry my 1 down here because I like to do it differently. And then we've got 30 plus 10 plus another 10. That's going to be 5. Great. I've got that. Then I can go in and I can say, please check for my teacher. The teacher can come in. They can check it, you know, with their amazing red check. Give feedback to them, and that's all that you need to do. Now let's take a look at the next one. This is another thing that some of the students are working on at one of the schools I'm at right now. Place value. So make a number 1,045,936. Those students, the teachers, sorry, can go in and select whatever they need to. So 1 million. I'm going to do this just for fun. 42,965. Okay, cool. I'm going to say that that's it. I'm going to raise my hand to check. Teacher's going to be able to jump over and do a please check. Okay, now as the teacher, I have the ability to come in and give them some guidance. Okay, so they can see that that's my feedback for them, and now they're going to realize that they have to go in and change some stuff. So the student's going to go in and say, oh yeah, I forgot that it's 1,045,936, and I need to put the commas in too. Then they can go back in and check it. Really cool. I love this app because, again, one thing that the teacher can do if they want to is if Joe was actually on right now, I could select to have them work together synchronously, and they also don't know if they're working together or who they're working with, but they can work on problems together at the same time. Really cool app. It's free. It's awesome for iPads. If you're interested, take a look at it. This is just kind of an overview of some of the features, but it's called Classkick. Hopefully that helps out, and look forward to seeing what you guys do with it.